In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy data on Jumiapay app. So all you just have to do, just open your Jumiapay app. Then under the dashboard, you're going to see all the features right here. So you can see data, airtime. So just click on data. Then it's going to load just like this. So then select the network you actually want to buy data for. So let's say I want to go with the 9 mobile. So I want to buy data for my 9 mobile. Then I'm going to provide the number right here. Then the data plan, so there'll be different options. You can see 100 naira for 100 MB for 1 day, 150 naira for 200 MB night 1 day. So you can scroll all the way down, so you can see 15,000 naira for 80 gig for 30 days, then 20,000 naira for 125 gigs for 30 days. Then you can see right here, so just select which one you actually want to buy. So once you do, let's say I want to buy for 150 naira for 200 MB, then the next thing you're gonna do, you just click on proceed to pay. Then it's gonna show you which method of payment you actually want to use. So just click on the choose your payment method. Then you can select which of your card you actually want to use, or you want to do back transfer. So just select anyone, then click on confirm payment, and then you'll be able to buy or purchase data using Jumiapay app.